this is my first cover shoot, which is pretty exciting. But yeah, I've done a little bit of this sort of thing, and I like it. I think it's pretty cool. I'm really looking forward to getting back to Kona. Last year was an amazing experience. Getting second in my first race was pretty special. It is totally. Yeah. I'm gonna get so much crap from
no, it looks great.
Training partner. I don't know. You touch down on Kona, and it's kind of magic. And I'm just really looking forward to getting back out there and hopefully improving on my result from last year. Not necessarily the placing maybe, but you know, I just want to see improvements. I'm still a rookie, but I think just doing that Ironman, especially on the Big Island for the first time, you know, I learnt a lot, and I plan to bring some of those lessons into this year and hopefully, you know, hopefully go a little bit faster. You know, people talk a lot about how Julie and I are the main contenders, but yeah, there's a solid group of girls, I think, stepping up to Christy's level, and I don't know if we'll all be there this year, but I definitely think that, well, it's like someone breaking the 4-minute mile. Once one person does it, you know, you have that belief that you can do it, and I think she's set the bar really high, and we're like, well, if that's what it is, that's what it is, and that's what we got to do to win.
Your head like barely pops out.
I know, I'm jumping.
Maybe we should switch spots. There's
Position.
a little opening over there. There's an opening over there.
She's on her tippy toes.
Scoot a little more that way.
Yeah, it's like.
I know why the colours were important now.